Hello and welcome back guys to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to easily share a link to a file or folder in Google Drive. Sharing links is the easiest way to let others view or collaborate on your files. So let's dive in. First, open Google Drive by going to drive.google.com and log into your account by entering your account's credentials. From here, locate the file or folder you want to share. You can use the search bar at the top to quickly find a specific file by name if your drive is crowded. Once you found your file or folder, right-click on it and select Get Link. A new window will pop up with sharing options. If you want to make the file accessible to anyone, switch the access setting from restricted to anyone with the link. This is especially useful for public sharing. If you only want specific people to access it, keep it on restricted and enter their email address in the field below. You can also control whether the people you're sharing with can just view the file, comment on it, or have full editing permissions. To do this, click the drop-down next to the link sharing option and choose the level of access. Once you're satisfied with your sharing settings, click Copy Link. Now, open your email, chat app, or social media platform and paste the link wherever you want to share it. When recipients click the link, they'll be able to access the file based on the permission you set, whether to view it or to edit it. And that's how you share a link to a file or a folder in Google Drive. It's a fast and a flexible way to share your content. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials.